Our next question is design a program that there are three machines, each machine with its own start and stop functions, and only one may run at a time. So here three outputs are there, Q1, Q2 and Q3. So start button for Q1 is I1. Start button for Q2 is I3. And start button for Q3 is I5. Stop button for Q1 is I2. For Q2 is I4. Q3 it is I6. Here we need to use push button. So in simulation we can change this one to push button. All input switches can be changed to push button. So when Q1 is in the on condition, Q2 and Q3 should be off. And Q2 is on means Q1 and Q3 should be off. Q3 is on means Q1 and Q2 should be off. That means only one machine should run at a time. So we'll be taking feedback from Q2 and Q3 and connect to Q1. So normally closed switch I'll be taking. Q2 feedback will be taken. Next Q3 feedback will be taken. It will be connected to Q1 for ensuring that only Q1 will work at a time. And for Q2 we'll be taking feedback of Q1 and Q3. And for Q3, Q1 feedback will be taken and Q2 feedback will be taken. As we are using push button, we need to provide a latching feedback. So one make contact is taken with Q1 feedback and connected across I1. Same way Q2 feedback needs to be connected across I3 and Q3 feedback needs to be connected across I5. So this will ensure that only one machine will be working at a time as we are giving this output feedback to each machine. Just we will simulate and see. So first input is I1. When I am pressing After simulation, when I am pressing I1, your Q1 will be in on position. So Q2 input is I3, Q3 input is I5. Just we will see. Suppose I am pressing I3, it will not work. I am pressing I5 also, it will not work. After switching off Q1, if you are pressing I3, the second machine will be in on condition. Next, if we want to turn on Q3, we need to turn off Q2. Then only Q3 will work. That means at a time only one machine is working.